My 2003 Marquis spa is overheating. I have replaced the filter and relpaced the high temp sensor, but it still does it. What is the next thing to troubleshoot? The spa works correctly other than not shutting off at the set temp. Thanks, Dan.
Sometimes pool issues that you think will be really complicated end up being easy to fix. The pool technician I'm going to connect you with knows all the tricks and shortcuts. Is there anything else important you think the pool technician should know?
No.
Okay. Got it. I'm sending you to a secure page on JustAnswer so you can place the $5 fully refundable deposit now. While you're filling out that form, I'll tell the pool technician about your situation and then connect you to.
Hi, my name is. I have been in the plumbing and repair field for 20 years. I will be glad to help you today. Is the temperature displayed the actual temperature? Does the water actually get hotter than the setting, or does it OHH but the water temperature is near the setting temperature?
The error display is O, not OHH. The temp climbs above the set temp 102. It read 105 yesterday, was probably higher at one point. The max programmable temp is 104 on the display panel. I just went and checked it and it is 98 and is functional. The circulator and heater will kick on and run properly until it overheats again. At 98.
The circulator pump is working fine? Is the pump getting really hot? You replaced the high limit sensor but not the temperature sensor?
The circulator is good. I did just the high temp sensor based on information I received. I'm not sure where the temp sensor is. My next was the pressure sensor. I have cleaned the connections and checked for loose ones. I just went out and the circulator is running, temp is 99 but the heater is not on. I turned the jets and the heater kicked on. I shut the jets off, circulator still running, and the heater shut off, then turned on for 1 second and then off for 2 seconds, then back on for 1 second. Heater turned off and then remained off while the circulator was still running. Set temp is 102. I just checked it again and the heater was clicking on and off for 2 to 3 seconds. I adjusted the pressure sensor 1/4 turn counterclockwise and it stopped going on and off. The heater is now on. I will check again in a few minutes. Temp is 100.
Great. The high limit sensor should be connected right next to the temperature sensor. You could trace it that way. I still think the temperature sensor would also be causing the issue. It sounds like there are two issues. One would be the pressure sensor would need adjustment and the other would be the temperature sensor has failed. It is best that when replacing the sensor to tape the new one to the old one and then use the old one to feed the new one through the housing.
There is nothing in the tub wall next to the high temp sensor. That is the only thing that protrudes into the tub. The connection of the control box is next to the pressure sensor wire. Is there another place to look for the temp sensor?
What is the model number of the spa? It may have a thermostat instead of temperature sensor. Do you see on the board a connection for thermostat?
Okay, So I went back to look at the wires along with some images online, and what I did was replace the whole assembly last year. One goes into the tank and the other is strapped to the heating chamber behind the control panel. The big sensor goes into the tub and the small one is behind the panel. Not sure which is which. They were both replaced since they come together. Since I played with the pressure sensor, the tub has not overheated. It is holding 102. How will I know if the pressure sensor is set correctly? Should I replace it anyway? Thanks.
The wiring diagram you sent has the temperature sensor labeled and connected next to the high limit at J20. Here are some directions for pressure switch adjustment. You may very well have set it about where it needs to be. It is not a terribly exact setting. Click here.
Okay, thanks. I will give it a few days and run it through a few cycles and see how it does. This is the first time in a year it has not overheated. If it has an issue, I will adjust the pressure sensor as described in the document you sent me. Thank you. Sorry for the late night reply. Long day for me. And now you smile.
You are very welcome. No worries about a late reply. I will take a sleep at some point for sure, but will always reply when I can.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.